up, YouTube? This is the man 7431 coming back again with another video. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the RCA 11.5 inch Galileo Pro tablet with detachable keyboard. Now, I know it's been a while since I've been on here doing videos, guys, but I've been extremely busy. I've been doing other things on the side, and I haven't had any time to do any YouTube videos. So this is my first one in about a month. So sorry about that, guys, for those of you guys that look forward to new content that comes from me quite a bit on this channel. But again, I had a lot of stuff that I had to do, and I just didn't have time to do any YouTube videos. But I got a whole lot more videos coming, guys, so don't forget about me. I'm not dead. I'm still among the living. So just stay tuned. This is just one of the videos here. There's going to be many more videos coming, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. Also, click the bell that's next to the subscription button, so that way you'll automatically be notified every time I make a video. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and go over this box. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up here. And as you can see, it says use as a laptop or detach the keyboard for a tablet, fun and freedom. Okay. Then it says it's a 11.5 inch display. Alright. You have 4-core processor. You have 32 gigs of storage. This also has it's supposed to have a 32 gigabyte SD card inside. We're going to find out here. I don't see it displayed on the outside of the box. It says Android 6.0. It's not the latest one because they have 7.0. I forgot what it's called. It has 1240 by 600. It's not quite HD, but kind of close to it. Dual cameras. Battery is up to 6 hours. Okay, and it also has the Play Store. Alright. So, it's pretty much everything I read to you, but it's in another language. Let's see here. So if we go to this side of the box, this is pretty interesting on how this keyboard has switched around to it's in a standing position, so you can kind of stand it up, which is kind of cool. I like that. Am I missing anything on here? I didn't tell you guys the first time. Nope. Alright. Let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Okay, so I'm going to have to turn it this way. Alright. Put this box out of the way here. Alright, so this must be the tablet here. Put that to the side here. And Only thing that's in here is the power adapter. That over here. And there is an SD card, guys. Doesn't say what it is. Let's see here. I just dropped it. Sorry about that, guys. And yes, it is a 32 gigabyte scan disk. Look like a class 4. So, alright, that's cool. I don't know why they didn't have that advertised on the box, but we got an SD card. Okay, here is the power adapter. Alright, put that off to the side, and the little tablet comes in this little cheaply made, I guess it's supposed to be like a dust bag or something. Alright, guys, so here is the tablet. Turn it around this way. You have your RCA logo here. You have one speaker on the top. Okay. You have a camera right here. Get it to focus for you guys. You got a camera here. I'm not 100% sure what the megapixels is. It's probably like a 3 megapixel or 2 megapixel, guys. Probably not the best camera in the world. Let's see. On the bottom, there is nothing. Alright. On this side, I don't know why it keeps going out of focus on me. There's nothing on this side. Just some information on this side. And then basically all the stuff is on this side, which I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way so we can see it a whole lot better. Get this to focus here. So what we have here is a USB port. We have the power button here. We have a headphone jack here. We have a micro USB port here. We have the power connector here. This is where you're going to connect the power adapter to charge the tablet. Here you have your micro HDMI port here. You can go on Amazon or eBay and get a micro HDMI cable. That way you can connect this from your TV to the tablet. So whatever is showing on your tablet will display on your television. You have a little small mic here. At the top here, guys, you have a reset button here. It's turned upside down, but so you can't see it. But there's a little button here. Press it. It'll reset the tablet. You have a micro SD card slot right here. And then you have your volume up and down back here, plus and minus. And again, you have your camera here, which I'm guessing is about 2 megapixels. Let's go ahead and open this up. And we got it on the wrong side here. All right, let's go ahead and open the tablet up. All right. So this tablet is pretty much made of all plastic, guys. Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see the keys here. Very nice keys on the keyboard. They don't feel cheap. They don't feel like that they're going to fall out. Feel very, very nice, guys. Have all your numbers, your letters, caps lock, shift. Have pretty much everything that you would see on a normal keyboard. All right. Even have your touchpad here. All right. Have your little rubber feet here, so when you're closing the tablet down, it won't do any damage to the tablet. It's going to sit perfectly on those rubber feet there. Right here at the corners. Here's the other corner here. All right. Now let's go ahead and detach the screen off of here. Comes off very, very easy, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and lay this down so we can have a better look at the keyboard here. Get it to focus. So your shortcut keys are up here. Have a screen off button here. So when you want to put the tablet to sleep, just hit that and it'll put it to sleep. Very nice keyboard, guys. The keys are raised. They don't light up. I wish they did, but you know, the light from the screen is going to illuminate this anyway. If you're in a dark room, you'll be able to see it perfectly fine. All right, there's nothing on the back, guys. Let's get a closer look at that locking mechanism here. Just 4 prongs there. And it just sits right into that and locks into place. This doesn't fold all the way back. As you can see, it just goes that far. And that's it. So let's go ahead and throw that back. Well, before I do that, let me just show you guys the other prongs here. And that's what it's going to sit into once I put it back in. All right. And see, it just drops right into place, guys. All right, so I have turned this on. I just dropped my SD card. I have turned this on, and I did set everything up on it, guys. So let me go ahead and hit the power button. All right, and I just dropped something else, but it's okay. Pull this up here. Alright guys, so that's going to be it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell me what you think about this tablet. If you own this tablet and you had it for a while, tell me what your experiences are with the tablet. Is it a good tablet to you? Do you recommend it to friends and family? When I do my review, I'm going to let you guys know if this tablet's going to be a recommendation for you, your friends and family. I'm just going to keep it 100 on any product that I have on this channel, guys. If it's trash, I'm going to let you guys know it's trash. But the only way you guys are going to know if it's good or if it's trash, if you subscribe to this channel and you watch the review video. All right, so subscribe, like, share, comment down below. This is the man 7431 getting ready to sign out of here, guys. And I will catch you guys on the next one.